Hello students, let's talk about phrasal verbs today. So let me clear first saying that what is phrasal verb. So phrasal verbs is special verb and it consists already that prepositions and adverb. Which means while we using phrasal verbs, there is no need to use alternative things. So let's talk about that. So the first one would be get along. So get along we can use when we have such friendly or strong bond with someone. For example, I am get along with my mother, which means we have such a strong bond. The second one would be get around. So that get around we can use when we have visited a lot of places or many places. So at the place of ki I have visited many places in Delhi, we can simply say I get around in Delhi. So just speak about short English. The third one would be call it a day. So that call it a day we can use when we stop doing something. So at like Hindi we can call it now कि बस आज के लिए जितना करना था कर लिया, आज के लिए जितना पढ़ना था पढ़ लिया. So आज के लिए जितना काम करना था कर लिया, उसके लिए we can use call it a day. Let's call it a day to our study. Let's call it a day to our work. Like आज के लिए जितना काम करना था कर लिया, आज के लिए जितना पढ़ना था पढ़ लिया. The fourth one would be carried over. So that carried over we can use when we carried something in past and now we just got over it. Which means आपने past में कुछ बहुत टाइम तक रखा और अब उसको खत्म कर दिया. So that probably we can use for a relationship purpose or for our habit purpose. Like I carried over my 5 years relationship with someone. Which means I had a relationship for 5 years and now I got over it. Thank you.